Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today we got some good stuff. We've got G.I. Joe, yo, so hold on for more.
G.I. Joe, American hero. G.I. Joe is there. It's G.I. Joe against Cobra and Destro, fighting to save the day. He never gives up.
We just got a G.I. Joe collection, and I'm going to be learning, but I specifically remember this. I think he was a Rattler driver. I remember this guy, Zartan, and I'm kind of having that, like, flashback moment, doodly-doot, because I was half a generation off of playing these, but I always thought they were great, and so now I kind of get to check out the childhood of the guys just after me. Cobra Commander, I think, had Crimson Guard. Is that right, Jim? Yeah.
So, yes.
Okay. Rattler driver. I think this was a Snowtrooper. Cobra. I cannot remember his name. It was not Gung Ho, not Roadblock, but something like that. I'm going to have to look into the details, but the whole point is this came in, and it's just this massive amount of nostalgia. I remember the Tomcat, and I think maybe Wild Bill flew it. Maybe this Wild Bill flew it, if memory serves me right. And the thing about Joe's is they were made just incredibly well, where a kid could start ripping pieces off and doing things to it, and it would still work. And so here we are, gosh, what are we, 40 years later, where Joe's are still working, engines still come out, wings move. All right, so let's take a look at Mr. Zartan. I specifically remember having a gimmick with face and colors. And is he not going to cooperate, Jim?
No.
How did that work? Were you supposed to cover him?
Well, change faces.
And then he changes colors. And then in bright light, he's supposed to change again. Well, no dice there. I think a lot of us remember these. These are the Dreadnought guys, right, Jim?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And which guy was the king of the Dreadnought bad guys? Was it him? No. Was it him? Maybe. Who is the head guy? All right, maybe my video editor can put a big fat flashing arrow like meh, meh, meh.
Lot of vagabonds. You will do as I say if you want gold.
We'll obey, Zartan. You have our complete attention.
And in summary, we're going to show you the absolute most cool of all of these. Is it the missile launcher? No. Is it the motorcycle? No. Is it the Cobra? Hell no. Excuse me. Beep. No. It is the Windsurfer.
Windsurfer, yeah.
But hey, it's got some tiger stripes, so what? That's cool now, right?
Of course. It's in style.
So get your big hair, get your tiger stripes, and go windsurfing, yo. And it has a gun. And which one's your favorite?
I like this one.
All right.
You can actually place a figure inside of it.
Do you remember which guy it was?
I don't know. Actually, I don't see it.
Does he open the other way? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
G.I. Joe quality. Nice. It all comes together, goes apart. I think you can put Boba Fett in it, right? Okay, so cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We are not stodgy. We like mid-century, we like late century, we like quality toys, and G.I. Joes are totally up our alley of fun. Keep us in mind, the higher quality, the more mint, the more complete, the better. But I want you to have a fun time with the coming Antique Joes. Oh my gosh. Ah!
G.I. Joe against Cobra and Destro, fighting to save the day. He never gives up, he's always there, fighting for freedom over land and air. G.I. Joe! G.I. Joe is there!